Ever grappled with a stubborn wine bottle, the cork refusing to yield, the anticipation of that first sip growing with each passing minute? Ever considered that perhaps the problem isn't the bottle but the tool in hand? Picture this. It's a bustling Friday night in a fine dining restaurant. The sommelier approaches a table with a bottle of 1990 Chateau Lafite Rothschild. With a swift, fluid motion, he uses his waiter's corkscrew to smoothly uncork the bottle. With this compact and versatile tool, the professional makes it look effortless. The waiter's corkscrew is a classic for a reason. It's reliable, portable, and with a little practice, it brings a touch of finesse to the uncorking process. Now imagine a cozy evening at home. A hearty spaghetti bolognese simmers on the stove, and it's time to open a bottle of Chianti. Out comes the wing opener. It's user-friendly, requiring less strength and dexterity than the waiter's corkscrew. With its twin levers or wings, the cork is gently lifted from the bottle, almost like magic. However, the wing opener can be a bit bulky, and its mechanism might not stand the test of time. Fast forward to a high-tech future where the electric opener reigns supreme. With the push of a button, the cork is extracted and released, no muscle required. It's a perfect tool for those who value convenience and modern design. However, the electric opener is dependent on battery life, and its sleek design often comes with a higher price tag. Next, consider the screw pull. It has a unique spiral design that grips the cork, reducing the risk of breakage. The screw pull is a great choice for older bottles with delicate corks. Yet, it's a one-trick pony. Unlike the waiter's corkscrew, it doesn't come with a built-in foil cutter or bottle opener. Finally, enter the world of the Coravin. This innovative system allows you to pour wine without removing the cork, preserving the remaining wine for months, even years. It's a game changer for those wishing to enjoy a single glass from an exceptional bottle. However, the Coravin is an investment, and its gas capsules will need replacing over time. So, after this journey through the realm of wine openers, which one takes the crown? Well, if elegance, versatility, and a touch of professionalism are what you seek, the waiter's corkscrew emerges victorious. It's a classic, trusted by wine experts worldwide. But remember, the best wine opener is the one that suits your needs and helps you enjoy the wine drinking experience to the fullest. So, here's to finding the perfect tool for the job. Cheers!